Hello everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. Yep, I'm here again at my little jungle, and if you can see those pots, some of the pots doesn't have plants yet. Those are the pots with the, well, these pots there, those are the ones where I planted my variegated cottons, and of course got weathered, so they died because of the winter. But some of my mints, this here, 1 2 3, those are spearmints, and that one there is a sage. I trimmed it, as I said in my last video, my previous video. I trimmed my sage and it's now growing so nice, and I'm sure it's gonna be growing so vigorously this year, so it's good. And these two pots right there, those are peppermint, so I have those mints. And right here I have pineapple mint, so we have plenty of mints. Anyway, enough with that talk. We are going to do a whole video, I guess that's what we are gonna call right now. It's actually a bulb or whatever haul for, oh, I also have two orchids. I bought two orchids yesterday. We went to shopping yesterday at Walmart, and this is what I got. So I'm going to show you first my two, ta-da! My two orchids. These called Phalaenopsis orchids, and these are just a little baby ones. Right here it has flowers. This one here, it only has, I chose this one that has only one flower spike, because if you can see here, it has a keiki. Keiki means baby. So that's a, okay, let's remove it from this plastic because it doesn't need to be in there. So anyway, this is a product from this company, Just Add Ice Orchids. That's the name of the company, but please don't put ice on your orchids because it's gonna die. This grower really put cubes, I guess, but me as an orchid grower, I don't put ice because it will kill your orchids in time. Not right away though, in time. So look at here, this is what I'm talking about. It has a baby right there, so that's why I chose this rather than those ones that are double spike flower spikes or triple flower spikes, whatever. But even if I saw these, it has like these, a broken leaf, it's alright, it's just a leaf. It's gonna grow more leaves. So anyway, if you can see, this is planted in a peat moss. I guess that's a peat moss or whatever it is. So that's, it is originally planted. See that? It's a plug. So it is also put here. This is plastic pot. It only has 3 little holes there. So that's how it is right there. And then they put it here in a decorative pot. It seems like plastic to me. I don't know. Maybe it's a, I don't know, but it seems like plastic too. A hard plastic, whatever. But but it seems like it has a black thing right there. Right there. I think they put ice on it. That's why it has that black. I hope this baby would survive because I really like these miniature orchids. I have a plan to put this in my terrarium actually. That's why I bought this. So that's the first one that we have. from that shopping, and it's just, this one is just the same as that, but this one here has a double spike. I'm supposed to get the different color flowers, but ooh, I don't see them. They're not that healthy. They are not healthy, so that's why I chose these two. But if you can see the roots, they're doing all right, and I saw there's a new roots that's growing already. That's why I picked this one, because that means it's gonna grow. So I didn't look. Oh, look, some of the roots are degrading already. That's because they are clumped in this little pot here, so that's why it needs a repot. So let's take it off first. Massage. All right, so it has these two new roots, but it seems like they actually put a ice here. That's why, see, that's a sign that they got burned with the ice. It's getting black and rotten like that, so they put ice on here. Anyway, I am going to repot this very soon, so I'm going to show you again how to do the repotting. We are going to have a repotting session again. I have a lot of orchids that I need to that needed repot. So that's the two orchids we got from that haul, and I have a lot of bulbs right here. But before the bulbs, here we go, I have another one. Let's put this. Oh, I forgot this one here. This is a rosemary. Yeah, every year I always buy rosemary because it always die. Let's take it off here because the soil is keep falling. Ooh, I should have get me a little pot that will hold that. Okay, I have a pot here I can use. That's great. Okay. It's a little bit messy, but okay. Made mess. I just don't like this mess all over the table. I don't feel right whenever I have mess all over my workplace. So this is it. That's how big my rosemary is. Whew, they still keep falling. Alright, enough with that. So, oops, my tripod. So this is how it is growing right here. Last year I bought one that is like this also, but it died. It grew a little bit, but it died. So, but I also bought me a seeds to grow last year. It didn't grow. I don't know what's wrong with the seeds, but the seed didn't grow. But this plant, this rosemary, was displayed at the vegetable section, so that's where I got this one. So I am thinking maybe I'm going to repot it in a decorative pot, and I'm going to put it inside the house. We'll see what I'm going to do with this one. It smells so good. As you can see, rosemary is an herb, so, and I love rosemary. So here we go. I have this. Ta-da! So first we are going to, I'm going to show you these seeds. I have these seeds. So this is a spinach. I got that. I only get one because I'm not sure. But anyway, I got this one. The spinach. I got tomatoes. um, I got these tomatoes because I want a big tomato, but my husband loves this kind of tomato, so he got this one and this one. He got two types of tomatoes, so we have three types of tomatoes now. But these one here are just, you know, a honeybees flowers. So it attracts honeybees and butterflies, so I wanted to plant some. That way, whenever these plants are having flower already, the honeybees is gonna pollinate them. So that's why I got this. So anyway, remember I have three asparagus. Well, I bought 3 more yesterday. Ta-da! These are bulbs. I mean roots. These are roots. So whenever I'm about to plant these roots, I'm going to show it with y'all. So that's what we got, and you can see the prices are there. You can just look at the prices. I also got me these. This is Irish Dutch, so it looks like onions. But anyway, I like it. So I like the flower. It's so beautiful. So we're going to plant it. I am going to plant it with y'all. I also got me a pony. It says it's a double mix. So those are the flowers. Whenever it's bloom, that's the flower. So I have 3 roots here as well. So we'll see. I'm gonna plant it later, but I'm going to plant it in a separate video. Oh, there's another one. This is gladulus. I love the flowers. It looks so wicked. I like the color of the flowers, so that's why I chose this color, this one. It has 16 bulbs, and the bulbs also looks like onions, I guess. Yeah, it looks like onion too. Oh, yeah. So anyway, this is all what I got from that shopping yesterday. My plant shopping. Other than food, but of course whenever we go to the store, we always shop for food. That's the first reason, the main reason why we go shopping. Actually, so anyway, these are all the things I got from that shopping yesterday, and I am so happy with it, and I am going to plant it with y'all. Of course, I already prepared a place for this, a space for this. I think this one I'm going to plant it again in a pot, because I just want it to be in a pot, because I don't know if they're gonna grow really. I'm sure it's gonna grow vigorously on the ground, but right now I'm going to plant it in a pot. But whenever we're done preparing the garden, maybe I'm going to replant it there, transplant it there. But right now I'm going to plant it in a pot. All right. So anyway, that's all for today's video, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I would like to thank all my Team Party Warriors, my channel members. I call them Team Party Warriors, but they are my channel members. And also would like to thank the people that always supports my channel, even if they are not required to. I'm not requiring anybody, but anyway, thank you so much, everyone, especially the ones that are always there with me. And thank you so much, my love, Equip Yourself Life Skills, for always spoiling me. And I love you so much, honey bear. Thank you so much all, and I'll see you again on my next one. Bye.